हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिंपल व्लॉग्स और मैं हूं मिताली। मैं आज एक नई सेगमेंट के साथ आई हूँ। टाइटल से तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि ये है ट्रैवल एसेंशियल किट के ऊपर ट्रैवल टॉयलेटरीज़ में आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें कैरी करनी चाहिए एंड हाउ यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज एक्चुअली योर ट्रैवल किट। आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो रखनी चाहिए ट्रैवल किट में अपनी जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो। सो दूसरी चीज़ मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, बेसिकली ये जो सेगमेंट है ये बेसिकली उन लोगों के लिए जो बहुत ट्रैवल करते हैं, जैसे मैं बहुत ट्रैवल करती हूँ। सो आई मेक श्योर दैट आई हैव अ ट्रैवल किट ऑलवेज इन प्लेस, ऑलवेज इन माई बैग, इन माई ट्रैवल बैग, सो दैट जिस दिन मुझे ट्रैवल करना पड़े, मुझे उस दिन जल्दी नहीं मचानी पड़े या फिर मैं कोई सामान ऐसा ना हो जो बहुत एसेंशियल हो जो मैं भूल जाऊँ। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, you can always forget your toothbrush, right? So you cannot borrow toothbrush from somebody else. You can always borrow shampoo or soaps or other things or paste for that matter from somebody, but you cannot borrow toothbrush from somebody, right? You would not like to use anybody else's toothbrush. So यही सब चीज़ें अवॉइड करने के लिए आज मैं ये सेगमेंट लेके आई हूँ, so that आपके पास हमेशा एक ट्रैवल किट रेडी और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो। So guys, let's get गाइज, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड प्लीज़ डू दिस डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगी एंड विदाउट गेटिंग फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So guys, without getting any further delay, let's get into the video. So जो पहली चीज़ हमारी ट्रैवल किट ऑर्गेनाइज़र में होनी चाहिए वो होनी चाहिए ट्रैवल किट, जिसमें आप अपना सारा सामान ट्रैवल से रिलेटेड, ट्रैवल टॉयलेटरीज से रिलेटेड रख सकें इस बैग के अंदर, जैसे मैं रखती हूँ। सो ये आराम से जो भी आप इसके अंदर सामान रखेंगे सारे एसेंशियल्स वो आपके 15-20 डेज़ आराम से चल जाएंगे। सो द फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट थिंग विच यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव इन योर ट्रैवल किट इज़ योर टूथब्रश। ये टूथब्रश आपका हमेशा ट्रैवल किट में होगा, तो देर आर नो चांसेस दैट यू विल फॉरगेट योर टूथब्रश बैक होम, और आप कभी भी भूल नहीं सकते इसको। सो दिस शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट एसेंशियल थिंग विच शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर इन योर बैग, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर दैट यू वुड नॉट लाइक टू borrow toothbrush from others, or maybe you will not like to use others toothbrush, nobody uses that. So you should always have a toothbrush, right? Secondly, you should have this Colgate toothpaste. Any toothpaste will work, so I use this as a in my travel essential, in my travel toiletries. So this is travel friendly toothpaste. The third thing which I use is this Listerine Cool Mint. I think that you should always use this Listerine. This you can use after every meal maybe. So this is the third thing which I always keep in my bag, and I think that everybody should keep this in their travel kit. So guys, the fourth thing which I carry always is this Dettol hand wash. I always carry this, and in these corona times it's very essential to have this Dettol in your travel kit. It is actually very useful, so you must have in your travel kit. So guys, next thing which I use is this Dettol liquid. ये मैं यूज़ करती हूँ when I take bath, एक ढक्कन में बकेट में डाल देती हूँ and I use it like that. So I have habit of using it since a long time, so I need it always. और ये जो बॉटल आप देख रहे हैं, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इसमें तो कहीं डेटॉल नहीं लिखा है, तो ये है ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली बॉटल्स जो मैंने मिनीसू से ली थी। ये एक्चुअली बहुत इजी होती हैं रखने के लिए किसी भी बैग के अंदर, जो इतने छोटे बैग्स होते हैं उसमें आप इजीली इनको कैरी कर सकते हैं। सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई जस्ट रीफिल देम रादर देन यूजिंग दोज बिग बॉटल्स। So this is the next thing. So guys, next thing is this body wash. I don't carry those soaps because it messed up everything, because अगर आप उसको अपनी ट्रैवल किट में रख रहे हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा messed up हो जाता है और उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी निकलता है उससे। So I keep it clean. So I usually use body washes only. So I use this body wash. I keep it in this these small bottles which I said I purchased from Miniso, and this is my scrub which I use. So This is the second thing which I keep it in my travel kit, the most essential. Then I have my own brand of shampoo. So I use L'Oreal Professional. I refill it like this way in these bottles because I don't want to carry those big bottles. So मैं उनको भी जो shampoos होते हैं मेरे वो भी मैं इस तरह से shampoo भी लेके जाती हूँ अपना, तो 15-20 days 15 days maximum या 10 days या आराम से चल जाता है. Then I have I use conditioner after using shampoo, so I have habit of using it, and this is also from L'Oreal. I use it, so I keep it in this small डिब्बा बिकॉज इतना बड़ा आप कैरी नहीं कर सकते. सो इसीलिए मैं ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस यूज़ करती हूँ कैरी करने के लिए, और ये बहुत ईजीली फिट इन हो जाते हैं. सो आई लव दीज. सो दिस इज द कंडीशनर विच आई यूज़. And then I have the next thing which I have in my kit is the serum which I use. So after doing head bath or using conditioner, I use the serum. So I keep it like this. I don't keep those bottles unless I'm going for a long travel, like for a month or for 2 months. So for that you have to have your own big bottles and everything. You can't just carry these small ones. So ये है 10-15 days के लिए. As I said, आप आराम से carry कर सकते हैं. ये है serum जो मैं use करती हूँ. Then I use this moisturizer. So I keep putting this. I keep it in my handbag at times, or I keep it in the travel bag. So one is always there in my handbag and one is always there in my travel kit. So ये moisturizer मैं use करती हूँ when I take bath. Then I just to hydrate my skin, I just apply it on my face. So I keep this. I'll let you know that what moisturizer do I use these days. So ये moisturizer मैं इस तरह से रखती हूँ. Then guys, the most essential thing after you take bath in your toiletries, you should always have a body cream, because to hydrate your skin. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है body creams use करना after I take bath, because it keeps your skin hydrated all the time. So nowadays what I have observed, that I'm using this bio oil and it's really very effective. It just smoothens my skin and it looks, it gives very good, when you touch your skin you feel so smooth. It's so smooth and light you feel. So I am using this bio oil for my skin. After taking bath I use this. Next thing, it is not necessary that you should have this in your toiletries, or you should have this in your travel kit. You can, it's your choice. You want to keep it, you don't want to keep it, it's all your choice. So I love hydrated skin, so I always use after my bath I always prefer using body creams or these kind of oils. So guys, the next and the most important thing in my travel kit, you will always find a mist. You can replace this. This is not a mandatory thing that you have to use mist only, but yes, you can always replace it from deodorant, or you can replace from roll-ons. So I prefer using body mist because these mists are long lasting. This is from Bath and Body Works, and I really recommend this who like perfumes and you like mist and all. This is what I am using these days. This is warm vanilla sugar which I use from Bath and Body Works, and it's like long lasting and it gives very good smell to your body. You can just use it after taking a bath. So I love using these. And yes, this you can also use deos in place of this. So this is the third this is the next most essential thing in my travel kit. So guys, just let me know if you find that there is something which is not essential. You can just chuck it out, and if you think that there is something which I have not actually included in my travel kit and you want to actually advise me on that, please do advise me if you think that there is something which I am missing on. So I will always I'm always open for feedback. So yes. So next thing which I keep is these pouches. These are from this is from Color. I have ordered something from Color Bar. So I just keep these pouches because these are very nice pouches for travel purposes. You can keep it rather than throwing them away. I keep them, and I have kept this cotton. So this is my essential. It depends on you whether you want to keep it or not. So I keep cotton always in my travel kit. and I also keep anti-liners too. So this is there. So guys, it's not something which is mandatory, the next thing which I'm showing. So I carry face scrub and face mask if I'm carrying more for, you know, if I'm traveling for 10 days, then I should have to have my scrub and face mask in my travel kit, because I use face scrub and face mask every weekend. So to keep my skin good. And so I use this face mask. It's your wish, you want to keep it or not. But the basic items which I've shown you, I just keep them in my travel kit, and you know, these are the essential ones which I think that every girl or everybody should have in their travel kit. If you have you know, all these things, you can never forget anything, and I'm sure that, you know, you will never lose on anything. So there are 3 more items which I carry. One is the scissors, which I always keep in my travel kit. It is necessary. Then there is this blackheads remover, which I use on a daily basis, not on a daily basis but alternate days, because, you know, when my nose is dry, I just lightly apply, you know, I just lightly use it. So this is one thing which I have, this nose blackheads remover. And then this tweezer, a girl should always have this, so this is always in my bag, so I always keep this. And last but not the least, I carry these earbuds. I use these pouches. These pouches are available in any DMart or any you know, any shop. You will find these pouches. So I just, rather than carrying those big bottles of or big containers of those earbuds, I just keep it on these pouches, inside these pouches. So I just zip it up, and then I keep it like this. So guys, this completes my entire travel kit. I hope you like this section. This is all you need in your travel kit. So guys, the last product which I'm going to show you, it's not a you know, essential. It is little different from this. So this is not a paid promotion, guys. So I would like to tell you, give you a little gist about it, that my skin is very sensitive. So I've used every kind of products on my skin. Expensive products I've used everything which is possible, because, you know, nothing suits in my skin. So 4 or 5 months back only, I started using Mamaearth face wash, and this face wash is really very effective, guys. This is so nice, and this makes my skin so refreshed and so nice. This is paraben free, this is dermatologically tested, and also this is for all skin type. You all can use it. And since, as I said, that ever since I'm using this, I haven't, you know, seen any kind of, you know, rashes on my skin or any kind of skin problems I have faced. So I really like, I'm really liking the products of Mamaearth. I've started using each, you know, every week I use this face scrub and face mask to keep my skin, you know, clean. And this has also shown very good effect. So I'm really liking it. I feel that, you know, I don't require any facial after using all these things, and, you know, any cleanse up or any kind of thing. So I'm using it. And the third thing which I'm using is the moisturizer from Mamaearth Upton Yogurt. It is like see, this is, if you're able to see this, this is really very nice moisturizer. It doesn't, you know, keep your skin very dry or very oily. It's like it's very light and very smooth to use. So I would highly recommend the products of Mamaearth if you're looking for any product which is, you know, paraben free and does not have much chemicals in it. So you can always go for Mamaearth. So guys, this is it from today, from this segment. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please do subscribe, like, share, and please do comment. Please just let me know how did you like this video, and what all changes do you want in my videos, so that I can keep on getting feedbacks from you and I can keep on, you know, improving on my videos. So guys, thank you so much. You have a lovely day. Bye bye.